Hi, welcome to Sakshi FIT NEET Academy. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about nucleophiles. What are nucleophiles in chemistry? In our recent video, we discussed about electrophiles. What are electrophiles? In this video, we are going to discuss about what are nucleophiles. How can we classify the nucleophiles? So let's discuss about nucleophiles. Commonly, these nucleophiles are denoted with Nu minus. The species which has a negative charge called a nucleophile. Here, group of elements or element which is with a negative charge called a nucleophile. Simple. I am taking example here, that is Cl minus. In the last example, in electrophiles, we discussed. We just classified electrophile as a Cl plus. Here we discussing a nucleophile, that is Cl minus. We know that Cl2 molecule, chlorine to chlorine, there is a sigma bond. On heterolytic cleavage, that carbon to carbon, sigma bond electrons are moving towards one side. So one chlorine gets a positive fragment, one chlorine gets a negative fragment. This negative fragment classified as nucleophile, and here the positive fragment which is classified as a electrophile. Simple here, this is one of the examples of nucleophile. The fragment which has a negative charge or a lone pair classified as nucleophile. So what are the common characteristics of these nucleophiles? As the electrons are there as a negative charge or lone pair, obviously these are electron rich species. These are electron rich species. So obviously these electron rich species ready to attract a positive fragment. Positive fragment means the species which has a nucleus charge. So nucleus loving species. Nucleus loving species. These fragments are ready to donate a pair of electrons. That may as a negative charge or a lone pair, that may in the form of negative charge or lone pair. Those are going to donate towards the species which has a positive charge, that means a nucleus. That's what we are calling a nucleus loving species. If this is the element has a positive charge, means around this nucleus there are unequal protons and electrons are there. The number of electrons are less, one electron is less compared to protons. That's what this element getting a positive charge. So the protons are in the nucleus. That's the reason we are calling nucleus loving species. This is the nucleus charged space. So obviously the electron pair is donating towards this fragment called a nucleus loving species and classified as Lewis bases. So what are Lewis bases? The species which has a lone pair or negative charge ready to donate towards a positive fragment called a Lewis bases. So here we have took a example, that is Cl minus. Like we have different nucleophiles. We will discuss about that. I'm just erasing this part. So what is electronucleophile? Simple. So hope you understand what is nucleophile. The species which is electron rich species in the form of a negative charge or lone pair, that is classified as electron rich species. So obviously the species ready to donate an electron towards another fragment which has a positive charge. So we can classify it as nucleus loving species. I know we have a character that is ready to donate a pair of electrons. The species which has a lone pair called a Lewis bases. We will discuss some more examples to make it easy. Cl minus, this is also one of the nucleophiles. Here I am taking OH minus, which is a negative charged nucleophile. Here NH2 minus, NHR minus, nitrogen with a 1 lone pair, 3 bond pairs, it's classified as a neutral nucleophile because there is no charge on this nitrogen. We have a lone pair. This lone pair is ready to donate towards a fragment, otherwise accept the proton. So obviously we can classify it as a Lewis base. But here in this example, this NH2, out of 3 bonds, 2 bonds are there, 1 bond is not there, so negative charge. Here 2 bonds are there, we have a negative charge. Cl minus, OH minus, NH2 minus, and here NHR minus, otherwise these two are alkyl groups with a 1 negative charge. This is also classified as a nucleophile. Alkyl group simple, as in the electrophile, the alkyl group with a positive charge called electrophile. Here the alkyl group with a negative charge called a nucleophile. This is one of the examples. Next you can take another example, which is alkyl group with a negative charge. This is also classified as a nucleophile. H minus, that is Br minus. Cyanide group which is with the negative charge, this is also classified as nucleus. Next carboxylate ion which is with the negative charge, we can classify it as nucleophile. Alkoxide group, when alcohol is decomposed, we will get alkoxide plus H plus, so this alkoxide group acting as a nucleophile. Then RC triple bond C minus, this is also acting as a nucleophile. So simple, what is nucleophile? The group or element which has a negative charge. So what are the characteristics of nucleophile? Nucleus loving species, ready to donate a negative charge, that means electrons. These are charged which have a negative charge, classified as a nucleophiles. Now here I am taking a neutral nucleophiles which have a lone pair, those we can classify as a neutral nucleophiles. Neutral nucleophiles, if it is H2O has 2 lone pairs on this oxygen, here NH3 nitrogen has a lone pair, this is ready to accept the proton, classified as a nucleophile. And this is the cyclic amine which is secondary amine, acts as a Lewis base, that is a nucleophile. And next ROH, this oxygen has lone pair, act as a neutral nucleophile. Then ROR, it is ether form, that central oxygen has a lone pair, accept the proton. Now secondary amines, this is primary amine, acts as a neutral nucleophile. RNR, this is secondary amine, acts as a Lewis base, that is accept the proton. Now here I am taking a tertiary amine. These are classified as Lewis bases, best Lewis bases which have a lone pair, so we can take a neutral nucleophiles which are charged. These are neutral nucleophiles, and unsaturated fragments also acts as a nucleophiles. I am taking here unsaturated, these are neutral nucleophiles, and here charged, which are negatively charged. Now we are discussing about unsaturated. Here unsaturation also acts as a nucleophile. Example, here CH2 double bond CH2, this is acts as a nucleophile because of this loosely bonded pi electrons accept the positive fragment, whether it's a proton or other fragment. And here I am taking another group, that is a benzene, this is also acts as a nucleophile. So unsaturation, the double bond also receive the proton or other positively fragment. This is a common classification of nucleophiles. And what is the definition of nucleophile? we have discussed some examples. So what is nucleophile? The group or element which has a negative charge to donate an electron, otherwise lone pair. These are classified as a nucleophiles. Charged, a neutral with a lone pair and with a unsaturation. So hope you understand well what are nucleophiles. In our recent video we discussed what are electrophiles. So hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel, share, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.